Hi guys, it's me Anne from Geeks of Green and I'm here at one of the biggest nurseries in Pune, Sanjay Nursery. Okay, so we have just entered here and I'm right in front of this display. So I will be touring the nursery for you guys, trying to give you as many prices as I can. And it's a very huge nursery. I may not be able to cover absolutely every plant. So please bear with me. So before we get into this video, I would like to quickly remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification icon so that you get notifications of new videos we put. And also you can participate in our monthly giveaways as well. For rules, please go and check the description down below. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. So since it's COVID times, guys, I will be keeping my mask on throughout this nursery tour just to be safe and responsible. We have Scheffleras all over this place. We have dwarf Scheffleras. We have the non-variegated one and the variegated ones as well. And the non-variegated ones are for 300 and the variegated ones for 400. So on all these prices, there is a general 20% off for the general public as retail prices. But if you want a 50% off, you have to buy plants in wholesale, and that's a minimum of 10 plants per type of plant. Okay, so that's the wholesale rate. You get a 50% off. So here there are some ZZ Zenzis, okay, priced at 300 rupees per pot. This is a ZZ Zenzi. They are small. There we have some Reginulas, Alocasia Reginulas, priced at 200 for tiny saplings. Okay. We have some rat-tail cactus right here at 300 rupees. We have some Actinias. These get tiny red flowers, very pretty flowers. This is the variegated one. The leaves are variegated and they are at 300 bucks. Up there we have Tradescantias. The green Tradescantias for 300, and they come in these white plastic planter pots. At 600 here we have the Euphorbia Francocil hybrid, brown knight. I don't know this name, I'm just going as per what's written on the label. I'll check it and put it on screen for you. So there is a brown one and there is another green one. And they're all priced at 600. So here we have an array of Sansevieria trifasciatas, and there are some smaller ones down here which are 400 rupees a pot. And on the top we have a fuller pot, bigger pot, and larger plants at 1000. Okay, these ones are at 1000. There are different variants. Sansevieras, now called Dracaenas. Okay, these are at 700. These ones are at 700. We have some cane begonias here at 150 rupees. Okay. Yeah, 150 for this. It's quite nice. We have some pretty bougainvilleas in hanging pots. And they look perfect. There is another plant of Vika, I think. Piggybacking with the bougainvillea, but this is how the bougainvillea looks. You're getting these pots for 300. And the white pots and the pink flowers look really cute. I think this is the dwarf kind. You can prune it and keep it small as well. There's some light pink ones. We have lemon button ferns at 300. These are quite hardy ferns. I have one and it's doing pretty well. And we have these bursting African violet pots at 600. They're all flowering and the plants are pretty big. There are some Tradescantias and Aphenias, an elephant bush. Tradescantias at 150. Neoregelias at 400. There is an array here. Have some beautiful begonias here. Okay, they are at 400 each pot. They're full, and I like this one. We have the fishbone calathea, amaranth, and geraniums. We have beautiful geraniums. These hanging, they look really pretty in these white hanging planters actually. These are the Ficus ginseng bonsais. They're looking so cute. Okay, at 500. There are many interesting root shapes, trunk shapes you can see there. There are some in these small trays as well, mini. At 300, this is at 300. Chlorophytum comosum of spider plants. With many pups at 200 rupees. We have these hanging geraniums at 300. Xanadus at 400. Tomatophyllum. This is 15,000. This one is 15,000. This is 6,000. So there are different rates ranging from 6,000 to 15,000, 16,000. There are these huge Pachira money trees at 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. This whole line. Look at that section, there are more succulents, there are more cacti and a lot of color right there, so follow me. These are also grafted I think, yeah. Come, this is the whole section where you'll find a lot of color. So we have cacti right here, all for around 100 per cactus. These are aloes. See, Haworthia is at 150. There are many different ones. 200 for these. Gasterias at 100. Crassula at 150. Syngoniums at 80 bucks. 100 bucks. Hydraceum. We have Epithremnumoriums, money plant, 250 for the hanging pots. Then we have some Sansevieria, that is Dracaena variants, at 200. Different cultivars. The bigger one is 2,500. We have some succulents here on the side. Okay, these are all tiny, teeny tiny ones at 80 bucks. Calatheas at 200, and the bigger one at 2000, huge one. These roses are 400. I think this line entirely is at 400. We have a lot of Monstera, this younger Monsteras right here. Okay, Monstera deliciosas at 400. Senecio cephalophorus at 350, and it's flowering, orange blooms. Chitonias at 150. Chitonias. This huge Enjoy Epiphyllum memorium is at 800. Some caladiums at 200. Calathea 1000. Monstera adansonii at 600. $80. I really hope you liked the nursery tour, and if you did, do let us know in your comments down below what you think about this, and we would like to hear from you. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, stay green.